Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn about how to do addition operation in Excel. So how many ways we can do addition operation in Excel, those things we will see in this class. So as you know, this is a cell. As you know, and this is a cell. Just type is equal to and type 45 plus 55. So what is the output? 100 is the output. So this is how we can do the addition operation. And here I will give 245 and I want to result of both these addition. So how can you do it? Just type is equal to and type a1 plus a2, then you'll get the addition of 345, addition of 345, addition of 345. So this is how we can do the addition operation. And if you add 3 4 5 here, and if you want to get the overall addition, overall things, so how can you add? Just type a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus b1, then you will get the overall addition of 1035. So you will get all these things. And if you have 123 here, and if you have 345 here, and if you have 456 here, so you want the all this addition. You want all this addition. Just I will write result here. Result. Result. So I have written result here. So we will get result. How can you get the result? Just type equal to and a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a5 plus a6 plus. So you have to do it like this. You have to type a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6. So just in this way we can do addition in Excel, but it is a long process. How can you add? It is six cells, right? So you can type the formula. But if you are having hundreds of lines, will you use this formula? No, right? So then we have to use this sum formula equal to types sum, type sum. Here you can type the extension here. Just double click on it and just type a1 colon a6, the n1. So the first, so the you have to find you have to write the a1 and a1 colon a6, which means the cell name a1 and the last cell name a6. So then you can get the required output. See the same answer 1614. So in this way you can get the answer in few seconds. Just I'll delete all these things. Just delete control here. Control here. Delete. Yeah. So now I'm having here. I'm having 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 here. So 18 here. So now we know about absolute reference, right? We know about absolute reference. So I want to add 4 to all these things. I want to add 4 to all these things. So how can you add? Just you have to type B1 is the absolute reference, right? So what you have to type? You have to type dollar B $1 into A1, right? That's it, right? So it is an absolute reference. Like you are locking this number. You are locking these numbers to the whole thing. To the whole thing. So what you will get the answer equal to what you will get the answer. Then you will get the answer 16. Sorry, you are doing multiplication, right? You are doing multiplication. So then you will get 48. Sorry, we are doing addition, right? So let's concentrate on addition. So click on it, then you'll get 16. Then you'll get 16. And if you want all this, uh, like we can use the filler, right? So then you'll get the all the data in adding the 4 to the all this number. So just see here, you can click on it and drag like this. Then you'll get the 13 plus 4, 17, 14 plus 14, 18, and you'll get 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 20, right? So in this way, we can do addition operations in Excel. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand how many ways we can do addition operation in Excel. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. And only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube. Or otherwise, you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.